We're focusing on cyber liability and data breach coverage for your property and casualty exam. The most critical distinction you must know is between first-party and third-party exposures. First-party cyber coverage pays for your company's direct financial losses after a cyber attack. Think of costs you pay out of your own pocket. A major exam topic here is data breach response and notification costs. For example, if a hacker steals your customer files, first-party coverage pays for hiring forensic experts to investigate, legal fees to comply with notification laws, and the actual cost of mailing letters to every affected person. It also covers cyber extortion, which is when a criminal holds your data hostage until you pay a ransom. Another key first-party coverage is funds transfer fraud, which protects you if an employee is tricked by a phishing email into wiring money to a fraudulent account. Finally, and this is a crucial link for the exam, first-party coverage includes business interruption. This works just like business income coverage on a commercial property policy. If a cyber attack shuts down your network, this coverage replaces your lost net income and continuing expenses, just as a property policy would after a fire. Now, let's look at third-party coverage. This is your liability coverage. It protects you when other people, like your customers, sue you because your security failure caused them harm. For instance, if a customer's personal information is stolen from your network and used for identity theft, they might sue your business. Third-party coverage pays for your legal defense and any settlements or judgments against you. The exam will absolutely test your ability to differentiate these. A question will describe a scenario and ask what coverage applies. Always ask yourself, is the business paying for its own direct costs, or is it paying because it is legally liable to someone else? The exam also loves to highlight gaps in coverage. Remember that a standard commercial general liability policy almost always excludes electronic data-related losses, which is precisely why this separate cyber coverage is so necessary. For a simple way to remember the difference, use this phrase: my pocket, my problem is first party. Their pocket, my fault is third party. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.